Hello students. So we will continue our 7th video of maths class 8. Okay. So we will solve exercise 1b. So question number 1 has already been discussed. 2 is also discussed. So try to solve these two questions. Okay. Homework. So I will discuss from question number 3. So question is subtract. The first one is our 2 by 3 from 5 by 6. So we have to subtract 2 by 3 from 5 by 6. Okay, not from 2 by 3. We have to subtract 2 by 3 from 5 by 6. So how to write it? From 5 by 6. So we have to write 5 by 6 first. Then we have to subtract 2 by 3. So to subtract it, our denominator must be same. Okay, so how to solve this? As the denominator are not same, so we need to first make the denominator same. And how to do this? We need to find the LCM of 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 LCM, what will be the LCM? It will be 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 and 2 1 the 2. So our LCM is 6, 3 to the 6, 3 into 2, this is 6. Okay, so next step will be write the denominator to be 6. Why 6? Because the LCM is 6. Now first is 5 into the denominator of 5 is 6. So now you have to think that what number should be multiplied to this 6 so that the answer is 6. So obviously it will be 1 minus, this minus is minus, again 2 into the denominator of 2 is 3. Now you have to think that what should be multiplied to this 3 so that our answer is, we need to multiply to this 3 so that our answer is the LCM. LCM is 6. So obviously this will be 2. So we need to multiply that 2 here. Okay. So in this way we solve it. So this will be 5 1 5 minus 2 2 4 divided by 6. So our answer will be 1 by 6. So this is the solution. Okay. So let us solve another question. Question number 2. That is minus 2 by 5 from minus 5 by 7. We need to subtract it. Okay. So from minus 5 by 7. So we need to first write 5 by 7 first. Then subtract means minus. And again we have to subtract minus 2 by 5. So we need to put one bracket. Why we have put one bracket? Because already two signs are there. This is negative and another negative was there. So that's why we have put one bracket here. So after that you need to open the bracket, that is minus 5 by 7 and minus minus, it is plus 2 by 5. You need to remember this, that is minus minus it will be plus, plus plus will be plus, and if it is different sign, that is minus plus will be minus or plus minus will be minus. Okay. So in the next step we need to find the LCM, the LCM of 7 and 5. So obviously 7 1 is 7, 5, 5 1 is 5. So our LCM is equals to 7 into 5, that is 35. So our LCM is 35. So first number is minus 5, minus 5 into. Okay, so the denominator of minus 5 is 7. So you need to think that what number should be multiplied to 7. So the answer is 35. So obviously 7 5 is 35. So you need to write this 5 here. That is 7 into 5, answer is 35. Plus 2 into denominator of 2 is 5. So you need to think what number should be multiplied to 5 so that answer is 35. So this 5 into 7 is 35. That's why we have written 7 here. So answer will be minus 5 into 5, it is 25, plus 7 to the 14 divided by 35. Now plus minus is minus, that means we need to subtract 25 and 14. So if you minus it, we will get 11. Now bigger number is 25 and the sign of 25 is negative, so you need to put one negative here. So minus 11 by 35. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, I think this is clear. So take 3 and 4 to be homework. Okay, so we will solve the question number 4. So question is the sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 9, and if one of them is 13 by 6, find the other. That means suppose we have two rational number, so if they add it we get minus 4 by 9. The question is this: the sum of two rational number. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. If we add this two rational number, we will get minus 4 by 9. And of the two rational number, one rational number is given. One is our 13 by 6. So question is find the other. We need to find this other. Okay. So what we will do? Let the other rational number be x. We will suppose this rational number to be x. Okay. Then according to question, it is given that the sum of two rational number, that is 13 by 6, and the other rational number is x, is given as to be minus 4 by 9. Okay. So from this we need to find the value of x. Okay. So how to solve this? So plus x is here. So you need to write plus x. Just you need to send this number to the right side. Okay. We need to send this number to the right side. And you have to think that the sign is here is nothing, but if it is no sign is there, then it is positive. So if positive sign changes the if the positive changes the side, it will become negative. That means if the sign is positive here and if it changes the side, then it will become negative. If negative is there, if negative changes the side, it will become positive. Then if into is there and if it changes the side, it will become divide. And if something is division, and if it changes the side, it will become multiplication. So here 13 by 6 is in addition with x. So if we change the side, then 13 by 6, as it becomes addition, after changing the side, it will become subtraction. That means it is minus 4 by 9 was there. Now we need to transfer this. So it is plus 13 by 6. So if we change the side, it will become minus 13 by 6. Okay. Now we have to solve this. Now our LCM is 9 and 6. So we need to find the LCM of 9 and 6. So both are divisible by 3. That is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. And again 3 1 is 3. 2 is not divisible by 3. So 2 1 is 2. So LCM will be 3 into 3 into 2. So answer is 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So our LCM is 18. So again you have to think minus 4 into. The denominator is 9. So what should be multiplied to 9? So the answer is 18. So 9 2 is 18. So you have to write here 2. Again minus 13 into. Denominator is 6. So 6 3 is 18. So we have write 3 here. Okay. So answer is 4 2 is 8 minus 13 3 is 39 divided by 18. So denominator is 18 minus minus plus. So we need to add them. So 39 plus 8. This will be our 9 8 17. Carry 1 3 1 4. Again the bigger number is 39 and the sign of the bigger number is negative. This negative. So we need to put one negative also. So answer is minus 47 by 18. So this is the correct answer. What is the other rational number? So this is the next rational number. Okay. Similarly, if we do question number 5. So question is what should be added? That means what should be added to minus 2 by 3? What should be added? Okay, that means suppose question mark. To get the result minus 1 by 7. So in this question mark, suppose we add x. Okay. So what we have to suppose? Okay, let the number to be added be x. Then our question says that 2 by 3 plus what number? That is x. We will get minus 1 by 7. Okay. So how to do this? X will be fixed, minus 1 by 7 will be fixed, but this number will change. Here minus sign is there, so if it changes the side, it will become plus 2 by 3. Okay. So again, the LCM of 7 and 3. 7 3 is 21. So minus 1 into 7 into 3 21 plus 2 into. The denominator is 3. So 3 into 7, the result is 21. So answer is 21. So minus 3 plus 7 to the 14. So plus minus minus, it will be 11. So now bigger number is 14 and the sign of 14 is plus. So answer will be in plus. So 14 by 21. So what should be added to minus 2 by 3? The answer is minus 1 by 7, the answer is 11 by 21. Okay, so question number 6 is also same. So try to solve the question number 6. This is homework. Okay, 6 is also same, 7 is also same. Okay, so let us do question number 8. Question is, what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? That means what should be subtracted? Subtracted means minus. What there is, suppose question mark. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get? To get means equal to is 1 by 6. So let this question mark will be x. So what we will write? Let the number subtracted be x. These are all rough work. Okay. Then our question says that minus 2 by 3, what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? Okay, so minus x is equals to minus 1 by 6. Now minus x is there. In the previous question we have plus x. You can see this. Here we have plus 6. Plus x. That's why we have written here plus. Okay, so if plus sign is there, we need not write it. So but here our sign of x is negative, so we have to put negative of x equals to minus 1 by 6, which will change the side. This number will change the side, that is minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 if changes side, it will become plus 2 by 3. So we need to solve this. Our left side is minus x. Okay, so LCM is the LCM of 6 and 3. So 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 and 2 1 the 2. So our LCM is 3 to the 6. So LCM is 6. So numerator is minus 1. Again denominator is 6. So what should be multiplied to 6? So that the answer is the 6. That is 6 1 the 6 plus 2 into. Denominator is 3. So 3 2 the 6. So we will write the 2 here. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 2 to the 4 divided by 6. So this is our minus plus minus. 4 minus 1, 3. Bigger number is 4 and the sign of 4 is plus. So we have written the plus. The 6 by 3. So our minus x is 3 by 6. So we can cancel it. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So therefore minus x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. So we need to find the value of x, not the value of minus x. So what we will do? So x is here, 1 by 2 is also here, but put the sign in this side. So minus is there. So bus take the minus sign here. Okay, just take the minus sign to the right side. This will give the required answer. But if negative is on the both side, then you need to cancel it. That means suppose the question is like this. Minus x equal to minus half. So in both side negative is there. So we can cancel out these two. So we will get x equal to 1 by 2. But if in one side negative is there, then we need to change it. How we can change it? Just put this negative sign with 1 by 2. This is the correct way. Okay. So these are the two cases in which we can take the sign. Okay. So what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? So the answer is minus 1 by 6. So answer will be minus 1 by 2. So if you have any doubts, then you can contact me. Okay. So question number 9 is true and false type. So all of you open page number 16. Okay, 1b. So question is state true and false. The difference of two rational number is always a rational number. Obviously this is true, because if we subtract any two rational number, the result will be again a rational number only. So this statement is correct. Okay. Then 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Second one. First one is true. Second is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Is this correct? So you can solve this. You can solve the left hand side. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. So LCM is 5 3 is 15. So this will be 2 into 3 5 is 15 minus 3 into 5 2 is 5 3 is 15. So this is 5 2 is 10. 10 minus 9 by 15. we will get 1 by 15. And if you solve the right hand side was 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 5 3 is 15. So 3 into 5 into 3, 15 minus 2 into 3 5 is 15. What is 3? This 3. So 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 10 by 15. So 9 minus 10 it is minus 1, because 10 is bigger number and the sign of bigger number is positive. Here also you can see that the sign of 10 is plus. So that's why answer is in plus. So 1 by 15. So is minus 1 by 15 is same as 1 by 15? No. These two are not equal. So answer will be false. Okay. So similarly, you try to solve the third part, fourth part, fifth part and sixth part. Okay. This will be all homework. Okay. So in the next video, we will solve another multiplication of rational numbers, and after that some properties will be also there. So till then, solve this problem, and if you find any difficulty, then you can contact me. Okay. Thank you.